Here are two easy ways to tag someone on X Twitter. So let's get started. First of all, open the X or Twitter app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once in there, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen to create a new post. So whenever you write a tweet or reply, type at the rate and username anywhere in the text. For example, had a great meeting with at the rate and the name today. The person you tag will get a notifications. So this is the first way of tagging. Now the second way is simply navigate to the profile of the person you want to tag the tweet to. So here let me just navigate to a random profile. So once I'm in the profile, tap on the plus icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will simply automatically tag that person on your new tweet account. You can obviously remove that as well, but it will be tagged automatically. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.